Okay, this is just a quick video on how to get your JR pass. So if you're a foreigner in America and you order the JR pass, it'll be mailed to you this thing. It's like an exchange order type deal. And you have to bring it to an information JR travel center like this. And what they will do is they will like convert your exchange thing into a ticket that you can then use JR trains with. And then when you want to make reservations with like Bullet Train, you go to a ticket office like this. So the whole process is pretty simple. It might just take a few moments depending on the line. That's the idea. You get your exchange thing mailed to you in America, bring that here, exchange it for a pass, and then make a reservation if you want to use Bullet Train. And if you want to go within Tokyo, you just take your JR pass and you show it to the guy at the window thing there and just show it and he'll let you through. And they're usually very helpful if you want directions on where to go to. All right, so that's JR pass.